Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a handkerchief, so let's get started. First, draw a line, just following with me. And connect the line. Then draw two round eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle, a curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now draw some line. Now draw a love shape here. Draw as many as you like. Now just following with me, draw the lines. Now we have a handkerchief. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.